Alright, welcome to our final racing game tutorial. Not really going to take you through exactly what to do for our example project because most of the essential elements are pretty much done, but I just want to talk about the direction you could take this project going forward from here. We want you to add in some of your own creative and original elements to the game to make it more fun to play and more interesting. A pause button would certainly be cool. I'm not going to go through all the specifics on how to do that, but if you do your own research, we can do a pause equals yes or pause equals no, and code some key to either pause or unpause the game. Other obstacles along the track are generally pretty easy to do. Could have a spot of oil that would cause the directional capabilities to not be quite so responsive. Or we could have some thing of water or some kind of barrel that you have to get around, some type of obstacle that's going to decrease your speed if you go through it, or maybe you have to go around it altogether. There are always other things that we can get coins, pick them up along the way, and that can give you extra lives or extra speed. Of course, we could increase the speed to more than 5, having some type of achievement that you could get if you say collect 10 coins or whatever it may be. The last thing I just want to mention, something that's really cool. Most racing games have sounds. I guess most games have sounds, but racing games, it really adds a lot of effect if we put some sound in. And it's something that we haven't talked about in any of the other tutorials, so I just wanted you guys to be aware of it. Sound is a tab on here, right? Under Motion Looks, we have sound. There aren't a lot of options to begin with. If you look at what you already have, you can record some things if you want to, or if you go into sounds, it actually allows you to upload things that you download to the computer. So I just Googled free car sounds or video game sounds, and I found a whole bunch of libraries. This was just one of them that I found in here, and I actually downloaded a car start sound file, an MP3 that's really small. I don't know which one it was exactly, but I downloaded it to my downloads folder, and to get it, we're just going to go in here and go to upload. And I went into my downloads and actually made a folder for sounds for it. And here's my car start, and I put it right in here. All right, so if I play it, all right, it'd be a cool thing to have at the start of every single game. So I'll go into code here, and I could put this thing right underneath here. Now the only problem is that's going to delay all of this code. If I start playing my sound right now, it's going to say play it until it's done. I could use different codes in here to have it not affect everything after this, or very simply, I could just do another script up here that says when the flag is clicked, do this. All right. So kind of a cool way to start it. Having some sounds in gameplay would of course be much cooler, right? Having a tire skid when I go around these sharp corners, then even a car sound of just when the car is traveling.